Hello kids, welcome to my channel. I hope my videos will make to learn things easier for you. So today our topic is where is my home? So basically in this video we will find animals' home, like where they live and how they look. We have three categories or types of the animals. We have three types of animals, like one is wild animal. They are lived in jungle and they are very dangerous. They can harm to us. Second one is pet and domestic animals. They are lived with human beings at their house or their farms. They are very friendly with us. Third is aquatic animals. They are lived in water and they can't survive without water. So these are the three types of animals. So there is three picture which you have seen. One is jungle and one is water and another one is farm or house. So we will find of the animal's house in these pictures. Okay, come. Which animal is this? This is lion. It lives in jungle and it's very dangerous. They eat other animals and lion is the king of jungle. So lion house is jungle. Now tell me which animal is this? This is cat. And its house is home or farm and they are very friendly with us. So cat house is human house. Now this is what? This is shark. This is water animal and it's very dangerous water animal. So shark house is water. Now which animal is this? This is horse and it's a domestic animal. Horse carries good. So horse house is farm. Now tell me which animal is this? Tiger. Tiger lives in jungle. It's national animal. Now this is deer. Deer lives in jungle. So deer house is jungle. This is sea turtle. Sea turtle house is water. Now there is elephant. Elephant is the biggest land animal. So these are the animals and their homes. So now I think you know about their homes. So if you like my video, please subscribe, like and share and hit the bell icon also. Thank you.